Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain to you why laptops heat up more than you'd expect and how to fix this problem. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. Let's start. Most laptops are designed to stay within a safe operating temperature, but with heavy usage or poor airflow, it doesn't take much for temperatures to rise. Heat itself isn't always the problem. It's when the device can't manage or release it efficiently that issues begin. Here are some habits that add to the problem. Number 1. Using laptops on soft surfaces like couches and beds, which block air vents. Number 2. Running multiple heavy applications, such as video editing software, streaming, and gaming at once. 3. Forgetting to give laptop a break during long sessions. Simple fixes you can try at home. Overheating doesn't always mean your device is failing. In many cases, basic maintenance and small adjustments can keep your laptop cooler and healthier. These solutions don't require technical expertise and can make an immediate difference. Number 1. Clean out the dust and improve airflow. Dust and lint build up inside vents and fans, restricting airflow. Using a can of compressed air to gently clear these areas can significantly lower operating temperatures. Avoid placing your laptop in dusty environments for extended periods. Number 2. Adjusting settings for performance. Lowering screen brightness, closing unnecessary background applications, and adjusting power settings can help balance performance and temperature. These steps reduce strain on the processor and graphics unit. Number 3. Cooling accessories that actually work. Laptop cooling pads, stands, or even raising the device slightly off the surface allow air to circulate more freely. For frequent users, these simple accessories can extend the device's lifespan. When quick fixes aren't enough, sometimes, even after cleaning and optimizing settings, the overheating doesn't stop. This often means there's a deeper hardware problem or a design-specific issue that needs professional attention. Acting early helps avoid further complications. Deeper issues that need expert hands. Faulty cooling fans, dried thermal paste, or damaged heat sinks can all cause recurring overheating. These parts require safe disassembly and replacement, a task best left to professionals. I hope I made that clear. See you in the next video. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.